Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2022 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by going into Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then hit this plus at the bottom left corner, and if your photos are recent, click on them right away. You can also select gallery icon on the left, pick your photos from here and select Add at the top right corner. Lastly, select the same icon, but this time instead of selecting your photos from here, hit Folders at the top left corner. Following that, look for your photo in one of your apps. Select those two lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources, or just click on Images at the top of Recent Files. Wherever you decided, after finding your photo, just hold it and click Select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!